Okay. There we go. This is the last train out. I think I lucked out. I almost got stranded. There's no Q, no N train. I think the F is still running and the D is still running. But that is it. I barely made it out. I didn't know they're shutting off trains at 2:30, but it's early. Oh, and I spoke too soon. We have stopped. It's nuts. Nuts. Really cold outside. And yeah, my battery life is good. You're connected to an external battery. That should be on. There we go. Now we're going to be on. Now we're on. But really cold out there. Snowing. Has not stopped. Here we go. This is most likely one of the last trains out. There's no more. They were shutting down N train service and Q train service already. Yeah, I'm swimming home. I'm totally swimming home. Oh man, I keep on speaking too soon here. They keep on stopping. There we go. Sorry about that. I gotta wipe the lens there. Last train out of Coney. Literally the last train out of Coney. I think I lucked out. Be able to get home. Which is nice. Really snowing out there. Very nice and cozy here in the train. Thanks for the hearts. Tell me where you're watching from. TV tonight. Oh, definitely TV tonight. TV and Netflix and all that good stuff. Last train. Saturday Night Live, yeah. I gotta record Saturday Night Live for my friends, so I have to watch Saturday Night Live. The phone's getting confused. Wants to be artistic and take pictures of the raindrops. Snowflakes. Snow. Oh boy. And this is like the last train out. All the trains shut down at 2:30. So I've heard. So it's only 1 o'clock now. We still listen here in the UK, yeah. Yeah, that's not in service. Not in service. Yeah, I think I lucked out. Oh, thanks for the hearts. We are stopped. Waiting to go. It looks like I did have a good day. It was like I needed exercise, so back to the action. Not too much. I'll just be stranded on the train here. Then this Periscope will get really entertaining. And if Marissa's watching, hey Marissa. Glad you enjoyed it. There we go. Last train out of Coney, kind of stuck on the creek. Let me see the front of the train. Yeah, there you go. It's the front of the train. We're moving. Thank God. Oh. Oh, wow. Yep. Might be going back tomorrow, but I just hit 75% on my data plan, so I have to go no matter what now. But yeah, I'll be back tomorrow. Probably won't Periscope it. Be on Instagram. But passing over the creek, looks like I'm able to go home. See you guys later.